Ready? Jonathan, Cactus Car Care. We're going to show you a lockout on a Lexus. This was towed in last night sometime. They left the key. The battery's completely dead, so we get nothing. Nothing happens on this. The only visible place to get into this with the key, which is right here, is right here. But then you would need, you can take a picture of this, but it's right down here. Okay. Then we would need to find a way to get into the battery. Well, the battery's in front in this car. But Lexus has provided a way to actually get into it. Take the key. You pop this off, and there's the key lock cylinder. That's a simple thing. Now we can charge the battery, make sure that it starts, and then we go from there.